If you've been following what the Federal Reserve has been doing, you can make a lot of money in this market. On this video, I'm going to show you an options trade that is solely based on the actions the Fed is doing. So I posted on the private Discord server that I would get into a call debit spread on TBT. This is essentially shorting treasuries, which is bullish on interest rates. This trade was predicated on the idea that the Federal Reserve is going to continue to increase their rates, which then in return would increase the rates on all of the other bonds across the curve, and therefore TBT would rise. Now this position was up, down, but ultimately we were able to sell today for over 500% returns. We're able to do this because we follow the markets overall, and we also know how to trade options. We know what to look for, we know what prices to pick, what expirations to pick to maximize our potential returns and increase the probabilities of us being successful. If you want to get noted on those live trades like this one, you can join the Discord server. It's super cheap, only $5 a month. You'll get live trade alerts, watch lists, stock market news, and updates. The link is in the bio or in the video description. Also, follow this channel for more content.